Morning, dear students. Welcome to economics class. Let me start today's concept properties of indifference curve. In the previous video, with the help of indifference set, we have identified the values of indifference curve, and after plotting that, we have received indifference curve. And we reached up to the conclusion that indifference curve has convex shape towards the origin, and this convex shape depend upon the values of MRS, and due to which the slope of indifference curve became convex towards the origin. As we have plotted the same values on the graph, two goods we have plotted oranges and apples on y and x-axis respectively, and after plotting these values, we have got downward sloping indifference curve. The triangular region between point A and B, from B and C, and from C and D shows the value of MRS, which is marginal rate of substitution, whose values is equal to delta y upon delta x, and which is equal to ultimately loss upon. Now let's proceed further with these properties to know about the slope, shape, and the various reasons why the curve has the slope downward, and so many other properties. So the very first is IC slopes downward from left to right. As it is clear from the figure that if we start from origin and the curve is sloping downward, in the figure, if we start plotting point A, B, C, and D, the curve is moving downward. This is because in order to move one more good by the consumer, he has to sacrifice some units of the second good. The rate of change on x-axis is constant, as is one after the another, but the rate of sacrifice of second good, that is orange, is decreasing one after the another, because consumer has limited income and he has to spend that income onto different goods, and just because of this reason the consumer has to sacrifice some units of y good in order to get more of x good. So these reasons provide downward sloping indifference curve. The second property is IC is convex to the origin. The shape that we have received from the curve is convex due to decreasing value of MRS. As we have discussed right now, the point value, the triangular value from point A to B and B to C and further C to D is a triangular area, and this triangular area is decreasing one after the another. The largest triangular area is AB, and the next area BC is smaller than the previous one, and further the area, triangular area between point C and D is the smallest one, and it shows the value of MRS is decreasing, and due to this decreasing value of MRS, the shape of indifference curve became convex to the origin, because in order to attain more of X good, consumer has to sacrifice some units of Y good. As we know, indifference curve provide same level of satisfaction to the consumer at all the points, and to make that level equal, and to provide to receive more goods of X good, consumer has to sacrifice some units of Y good so that the level of satisfaction remains the constant. that remains the same at all points of a same indifference curve. That is why consumer has to attain from A to B point and from B to C point with the increasing value of x good, and in order to achieving more of x good, he has to sacrifice some units of good y. Third property is higher IC provides higher level of satisfaction. As clear from the figure that we have drawn three curves in a single graph, and they are parallel to each other, and IC1 is far away from the origin. This IC1 provides satisfaction level to the consumer, but this level is less than the satisfaction provided by IC2, and IC2 level satisfaction is again less than the level of satisfaction provided by IC3. As far as the curve is far away from the origin, the level of satisfaction provided by indifference curve is the highest one. So among these three curves, IC3 provides higher level of satisfaction as compared to IC1 and IC2, because IC1 is nearest to the origin and IC3 is far away from the origin. So the property provides that as far as the curve is away from the origin, the level of satisfaction will be the highest one. Fourth property is ICs do not intersect each other. As we have again two ICs in a single graph, and they are intersecting at point A. Before point A, IC is near to the origin and IC2 is far away. And it shows that IC2 provide more level of satisfaction to the consumer as compared to IC1. And after the point A, IC1 is far away from the origin and IC2 becomes nearest to the origin, and accordingly the description that IC1 provide more level of satisfaction as compared to IC2. This particular condition create confusion for the consumer that which particular IC is concerned with higher level of satisfaction. Just to avoid this confusion, we suppose that ICs do not intersect each other, because higher IC should provide higher level of satisfaction and lower level of IC should provide lower level of satisfaction. But if they intersect each other at a point, it create confusion because the interchanging of the levels will create confusion among the consumer. So it is not possible that ICs intersect each other. And for the convenience, we assume that ICs are parallel to each other rather than intersection. The next property states that IC do not intersect x or y axis. As we know that in case of indifference curve, consumer is consuming two goods, and if the curve touch the axis, it means consumer is consuming one good only, and the consumption of second good is not consumed. As in case of IC1 curve, the curve starts at the point on y-axis. It means the maximum quantity consumed by the consumer is of y good only, and he is not consuming x good, which is not possible. IC2 shows the maximum quantity consumed by the consumer is 6 units of X good only, and no quantity of Y good is consumed. So the case we are dealing with indifference curve will prove invalid if consumer spend all his income on the consumption of one good only. For this convenience, we suppose that ICs do not intersect each other, and even the intersection of the IC on x and y axis is not possible. So these were the properties of indifference curve according to which we create our model regarding to indifference curve. So till now we have discussed indifference set, that is concerned with table presentation, indifference set concerned with graphical presentation, and the map is concerned when more ICs are drawn in a single graph. Revise the concept. Till then, goodbye.